Question number 4. So the question is, do people walk faster in the airport than they are departing, or do they walk faster when they are arriving, getting off the plane? A reputable researcher measured the walking speed of random travelers in two international airports. His findings are summarized here. Okay. So question is this an observational study or designed experiment? Do you remember what was the difference in two? Observation study, they just observe people, they don't control anything. In design experiments, they control the factors which happens in the study, right? So in this case, they're just observing because they are not influencing any data. So the this is an observation study since the researcher did not influence the data. Explain why it is reasonable to use Welch's t-test, right? That's just the name. T-test is named as Welch's t-test. So samples are random, um, small and independent. The populations are normally distributed. They didn't say that the population is normally distributed. The samples are large. So let's check. Samples are 35 and 35, so they are large. So we are good with that. And they are not dependent on each other. The samples are random, large, and independent. I think that should be the case. Okay, what are they trying to test? So, do the individual walk at different speeds, whether they are departing or arriving? So, that is the question. At different speeds. So, mu1 not equal to mu2. That is the claim here, right? That means null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Null hypothesis would always be equal to type, and alternate hypothesis is not equal to type because we are testing do the individuals walk at different speeds, whether they are departing or arriving at alpha equal to 0.1. So mu1 is the speed of people departing, mu2 is the speed of people arriving. P-value for the hypothesis test. Okay, so let's run the t-test. Stat, go to two samples because we have two samples here, right? So two samples, they are independent, they are large. Enter the information. X1 bar is 253 feet per minute. S1 is 51.35. Okay, this is 266. S is 39. And again, this number is 35. So pay attention, even if their sample sizes are same, but these are independent, okay? And we have to highlight the not equal to types. And we have to go to calculate. So they are asking us p-value in this question. P-value is 0.235. They are asking 3 decimal places. Okay, so p-value is quite large and level of significance is 0.1. So p-value is more than alpha, right? That means do not reject H naught. That means we are rejecting H1. That means there is insufficient um, insufficient evidence to support the claim. Let's see. Do not reject H naught, and there is not sufficient evidence at this level of significance to say that the travelers walk at different speeds. So this would be the answer. Okay.